Annyeong. Annyeong shrine. Come to mama. Dili siya mukaon ng murag buyo, guys. That's dahon na murag buyo. He don't like, so he want another one because he don't know the buyo left. Maybe the smell is stronger than before. Before. So what's you gonna do, shrine? Kulay. Annyeong. Annyeong shrine. Oh, di po siya ani. Gusto jud niya aning bowl. Nothing ma. What you wanna do? What you wanna do to your life? He make it seem hot first, guys, because kaning dahon nga like this, guys, ay mura siya galay. He don't like galay, guys. Like this area.